to leave it at that.
Meanwhile, the newly appointed DGP of Meghalaya, Ida Shishanongrang, has assured that the recruitment in Meghalaya Police will be expedited to ensure vacancies are filled up. She said the matter pertaining to recruitment is pending in High Court and added that the police have adhered to the laid down provisions for recruitment. She further stated that the police will take a lead from Assam to ensure that the target for recruitment is achieved.
Unfortunately, there's a big confusion about that relaxation in age, and the perception there's been a different perception. In fact, I would say a misconception as to the departments which are exempted from that. You must be aware that on the 23rd there is a section of a group of people have filed a petition in court. The hearing is on the 23rd. We are hoping that the court will see that we have adhered to the provisions, whatever government instructions have come vis-a-vis the recruitment. Yes, we have a large number of vacancies, but we are hoping to take a leaf of what has happened in Assam and where they have filled up all their vacancies. And our target is to ensure that those vacancies are filled up and the recruitment is expedited to the extent possible.
The research